ChatGPT is powered by large language models, often called LLMs. At the core, these models take text, break it into smaller pieces called tokens, and predict what should come next. But ChatGPT is more than raw prediction. It is also trained to follow instructions, hold conversations, and respond in ways that are useful. Before a language model can work with text, the text is split into tokens. A token can be a word, part of a word, or even punctuation. These tokens are converted into numerical vectors, so the model processes mathematical representations rather than text in the human sense. The main architecture behind GPT models is the transformer. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Transformers use attention, which helps the model decide which tokens in the context are most relevant for producing the next part of the answer. During pre-training, the model learns to predict the next token given the tokens before it. This sounds simple, but at massive scale, it teaches grammar, facts, styles, and patterns in language. The result is a general model that can continue and generate text. A raw language model is good at continuing text, but that does not automatically make it a helpful assistant. Instruction tuning trains the model on examples of prompts and useful answers, so it learns to respond more like an assistant and less like an autocomplete system. Human feedback improves the model further. People compare different model answers, and this preference data is used to train the system toward responses that are more helpful and appropriate. This is the basic idea behind reinforcement learning from human feedback, also called RLHF. The key idea is that ChatGPT is built in stages. Text becomes tokens, tokens pass through a transformer, the model predicts likely next tokens, and post-training shapes the model into a useful assistant. It is not magic. It is a large, trained system for predicting and refining language.